Okay, so we're a little bit further in the process now of decluttering this mess. Going back to just the computer on the desk. May work well. You know, I tried to have them all in alignment, the monitors, but it's okay. I'd rather have things work and look better, especially up top there with the controllers up there, so I can easily grab them, just like I did with the cameras on that side. I didn't want to go with a full shelf right across because I wanted some airspace there as well. It might be something I might have to add in there as a fan later on, but we'll worry about that when that time comes. So we're getting a little bit closer, so let's see where we get now. Now I got my shelves up and I got my controllers on them. It is not perfect because the wall is not straight, so I have to work with what I got. So all in all, it works pretty good. I went with the step down type thing. The consensus like that the best. So above the computer there, that's what it looks like the best, followed by the cameras and chargers and all that kind of stuff over there. So it's going to work well.